morning, students. As you know, today trigonometry is going on, and in this sequence, I will tell you the some trigonometric identities like sin 3x, cos 3x, and some values of sin 18 degrees, cos 18 degrees, sin 36, and cos 36 today. Okay, so you will see how these are the formula is formed, ठीक है, identity is formed, and how the questions value of the particular each angle is evaluated. And if you will be able to understand this concept, then will be easy for you to solve the exercise related to these identities. Okay students, so everyone will try to learn this identity by heart, so that will be helpful for you for the exercise. So let us see. Let us start. The first one is sin 3x. Sin 3x. You know what is the identity for sin 3x? Sin 3x may be written as sin x plus 2x. Okay. X 3x may be written as x plus 2x, and you know x plus 2x sin a plus b. Sin a plus b, this is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. This is the identity. Sin a plus b equal sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. This is the identity. So just apply this identity to open this one. So this one sin 3x will be equal to sin x sin a cos 2x plus cos a means x and sin 2x. This is the identity. Now this one is sin x, and what is the identity of cos 2x? See, the identity of cos 2x is equal to, in the form of sin 1 minus 2 sin square x. This is the identity of cos 2x in the form of sin x. Let us, you can see here, cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square. So just use this identity here, 1 minus 2 sin square x plus cos x. This is equal to cos x. And what is the identity of sin 2x? See here, sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. This is the identity. So just write here the identity. What are the identity here? This is equal to 2 sin x cos x. This is the identity. Now just multiply here sin x into m1, sin x into this one minus 2 sin cube x, क्योंकि अगर sin x का यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो sin x आएगा, और यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो स्क्वायर 2 पावर यहाँ पे 1 पावर यहाँ पे, दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2 sin cube x, और यहाँ पे मिलेगा आपको cos x. मल्टीप्लाई किया, देखो मल्टीप्लाई किया तो ये बन गया 2 sin x into cos square x. Now one thing is here, अब आप देख सकते हैं कि in all the terms there is only single term in term of cos, that is cos square x. So change this one is also in the form of sin, and you know what is the cos square x in the form of sin x? See here, cos square x may be written as 1 minus sin square x. This is the identity. Cos square x, see here, cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. This is the identity. So just apply here sin x minus 2 sin cube x plus 2 sin x into 1 minus sin square x. This is the identity. Now multiply this one. sin x का यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, this one will become sin x minus 2 sin cube x plus sin x into 1, 2 sin x minus 2 sin x into sin square x, 2 sin 2x. You will say here 2 sin x and sin x. This is equal to 3 sin x minus 2 sin cube x and 2 sin cube x, that is equal to minus 4 sin cube x, and this is nothing but sin 3x. So this is the identity for sin 3x. Sin 3x equal 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Okay student, so what is the final identity? You will write here कि sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. This is the identity, and I hope everyone is clear about this identity, how this identity is derived, and everyone will learn this identity by heart. Okay, so have a look and make a note. Come to the next identity. The next identity is cos 3x. Cos 3x, ठीक है? Cos 3x may be written as also cos x plus 2x. You know what is the identity cos a plus b? What is cos a plus b? Cos a plus b means cos a cos b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. This is the identity for cos a plus b. Be careful about this one. So just apply these three. Cos 3x is equal to cos x, cos 2x minus sin x into sin 2x. Okay. So see here cos x, and this cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Because as you have seen the cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x in the term of sin x, and in the cos x 2 cos square x minus 1, and in both cos square x minus sin square x. So these are the three form of cos 2x. So you will apply here 2 cos square x minus 1. Clear students? Now let us see here a minus sin x into this one is 2 sin x and cos x. 2 sin x cos x. Sin 2x equal 2 sin x cos x. So just multiply here. This one will become 2 cos 2x minus cos x minus, and if you will multiply, this one will become 2 sin square x into cos x, where sin x is to be written in the form of cos x. So what is the identity of sin square x in the form of cos x? Sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. This is the identity. So you will learn here take 2 cos cube x, 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 sin square is 1 minus cos square x into cos x. This is the identity I have written here. Now just simplify this one. 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus, देखो cos x का इसमें मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, जैसे 2 का कर रहे हैं, ये आ जाएगा माइनस 2 cos x एंड प्लस 2 cos cube x. दिस वन इज द मल्टीप्लाई. आप देख सकते हो 2 cos cube x एंड 2 cos cube x, that is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 2 cos x and cos x. This is equal to 3 cos x. So this can be written as cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So this is the identity, and I hope everyone is clear about this identity. See here कि cos 3x, see here cos 3x as I have seen, I have given you. See cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. This is the identity, and just you have seen the identity of sin 3x. cos 3x. One is also tan 3x. You will do yourself by applying tan a plus 2a for tan 3a, and will apply the identity tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. This identity will be used for tan 3a. Okay students, so I hope everyone is clear about these two identity. Let us see once again. These are the identity, and I hope everyone is clear about these two identity. Will meet you in some questions, identities related to this exercise. Okay, thank you students.